Want to learn how to make amazing coffee shop worthy lattes and cappuccinos right at home in a snap? I've got just the device for you, so just keep on watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jessica. I'm here with another video. If you are new here, hello and welcome. I make videos about affordable fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. I really love to help you all live your most wonderful, fabulous, chic life, but on a budget. So today I have a sort of unboxing and review for you all. I will have to insert shots of the unboxing because my camera was out of focus on me when I did it. So as I said, today I'm going to be telling you all about this really awesome new milk frother that I got from Maestri House? We're gonna go with Maestri House. It is a detachable milk frother and it retails for about $89. It is so awesome. I've had the chance to use this already and I'm really excited to tell you guys about it. Off the top, I want to let you all know this video is sponsored by Maestri House, but of course you all know I will always share my honest thoughts and opinions with you all when it comes to the products that I review. I certainly would not put a product on my channel if I didn't like it, and there's been lots of times I've been sent things and I refused to make the video because I was like, no, this is not good. Just want to put that little disclaimer there for you guys. So let's talk about this detachable milk frother. First of all, I love the fact that it is detachable. I've had some other milk frothers in the past and they're more like the smaller traditional kind where it has like a little base and the whole entire apparatus sits on top of that base. And when you're done frothing the milk, it's hard to really get it nice and clean because you have concerns about getting that bottom of the apparatus wet. So with this one, you don't have that problem because the jug that froths your milk is completely detachable and so makes it so much easier to clean. The other really cool feature about this milk frother is the fact that you can control not only the temperature of your milk, but also the amount of like foam that it produces. So it has settings between 120, 140, 160 degrees temperature so that you can set your milk to the heat that you want it. You can also set it on a cold setting, so it will even make cold foam for all of you iced coffee or cold brew coffee lovers out there. You can also set your foam settings to be like very minimal, medium, and then a lot. So you can make all kinds of specialty coffee drinks at home, like flat whites, lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos. You can even make really wonderful, super foamy and delicious, rich hot chocolate with this milk frother, which is so, so cool. It has this really nice big touch screen on the front of it that makes using it so easy and just so easy to turn off and turn on, adjust your temperature and adjust your foam settings to your liking. It also has a convenient memory function, so you can set your settings so that it will remember the way that you personally like them so that you don't have to like go through the motion and hit all the buttons every time. It just knows your settings. I have not played around with that yet, but that is pretty cool. I also love that it has a bit of a safety feature built into it. So this is the base and it will automatically shut itself off if it finds that it is getting overheated from too much use. So you know you're going to be safe. This product is not going to get overheated and cause any sort of situations that might be a little scary. I mean, I can't imagine a milk frother like blowing up, but it's nice to know that it has that safety feature built into it. The milk jug is made of durable 304 stainless steel. It's completely BPA free and it is top of dishwasher safe. In fact, the lid and the entire whisk set is all top of dishwasher safe along with the frothing jug, which makes it so easy to clean up when you're done. I love that this is also like a much bigger quantity. So you've got different levels inside of there that show you different amounts of milk. The fact that you can do more than one serving of milk for multiple coffees is so great because if you're entertaining or if you have multiple people in your household that want to have a latte or a cappuccino, you can do it all at one time rather than having to do it one by one if you have one of the more traditional single serving milk frothers. Okay, so now that you've sort of seen all the little specifications and gotten some fun info about this milk frother, let's take it into my kitchen and make some coffee recipes so I can show you how you can just get the most delicious coffee shop worthy beverages at home. So now we are in my lovely kitchen and we're gonna make a couple coffee drinks. First, I'm gonna brew up some espresso. I have the Ninja dual brewing system. I forget the technical name of it, but I will link my coffee maker down below. So I'm gonna make close to an espresso as I can. I use the K-Cups from Cafe Bustelo, which is the espresso style coffee, and I set it to a 6-ounce cup, which is the smallest brew that my lovely coffee machine will do, and I set it to rich so it's like nice and espresso-like. So you want to go ahead and first make whatever kind of espresso that you would like to make. Just make yourself a regular cup of coffee. If you're intending to use this with the frothy milk. So first up, brewing the coffee. I love this coffee maker because you can use K-cups and you can also use regular ground coffee. I love the versatility there that allows me to sort of make espresso but also regular coffee. Okay, so going into the milk frother, there are the different levels. When it comes to milk choice, regular milk is preferable if you can, because almond, coconut, oat, and soy just won't have the same foaminess factor that regular milk will have. So if you can have regular milk and you want it to be extra foamy, then definitely go that way. These are the different little combinations of whisk set for the different types of drinks. This little thing is magnetic to the bottom, so you just stick it right in there once you got your milk. Turn on your temperature and foam preference and let it do its thing. It takes, I would say, about 2 minutes or so. Okay, it's done now. I'm gonna pop it off. Look at that foaminess. Oh my God, it looks so good. So you pour the milk in first. It comes out first anyway. And then you wanna go ahead and take a spoon and sort of guide out the foam onto the top. One of these days, maybe I'll get really good at latte art, but I'm a beginner. Put a little cinnamon on top for it to be extra cappuccino-y, and voila, a cappuccino. My go-to drink at Starbucks is a dirty chai latte, so I got some of this skinny chai concentrate from the grocery store. Basically, you're going to mix equal parts chai concentrate and milk of choice into the milk frother. I put in the full shebang of the whisk. I turned it up to 140, and medium-sized foam since I'm making a latte. I wanted to try that out. Turned it on and let it go. This time I could definitely tell a difference in the amount of foam. I did put it on the medium setting, and I will say it wasn't quite as much foam as the larger one, which makes sense, but this is actually perfect for a latte, and bam, dirty chai latte at home. Last but not least, let's make an Irish coffee. So first you want to fill your cup up with hot water to get the cup or the mug really warm and primed for the drink. Pour that hot water out and then get your coffee in there. Now typically Irish coffee is with coffee and whipped cream, but I wanted to try it with frothed milk. So while the milk was frothing, I went ahead and put a couple spoonfuls of brown sugar into my hot coffee. Give it a good stir. Next, it's time for Irish whiskey. Jameson is my preference. Put a shot and maybe a dab more into your coffee. Stir it once again. Now again, this is where you could put whipped cream on the top, but I wanted to try super foamy milk and see how that went. And I thought it went really nice. I actually liked it like this, and it was very, very delicious. A great adult coffee beverage. It is so good. This is literally like being able to make my own Starbucks lattes and cappuccinos here in the house. I feel like this is gonna save me so much money because I'm not gonna need to go out to get a Starbucks whenever I'm having a craving for a latte or something of the sort. So I cannot recommend the Maestri House detachable milk frother enough. I feel like it works so nicely. I feel like the key thing that I love about it is the fact that it is so easy to clean. Thank you again to Maestri House for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are interested, I've got a couple more videos right here for you to check out. If you want to stick around and catch a couple more of my videos, make sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!